Hey Steve and Donna, this is Ryan. It is Tuesday in the afternoon, January 18th, I think. um, and I just wanted to take a quick video of the inside of the main house. And then I'll also just take a quick video of the guest house, just so you're updated. It's looking really good in here. One thing I want you to be aware of that is, I think you know the problem, but I don't know if you can hear the vibration. So right when you come in the door, you hear a really low and pretty obtrusive vibration noise, and it's coming from the mechanical room on the other side of those cabinets. And I think before we do any showings, I think it would probably be good to replace that pump. So I just wanted you to kind of hear it for yourself. I just think you bring a buyer into the property for a showing, and that's going to be the first thing they hear, and it's going to annoy them the entire time they're in the home. So anyway, just wanted you to hear that firsthand.